Hello friends, welcome to Kalpa Creations by Ruchita. Today we are going to make lemon rice. This lemon rice is also called as Chitranna, or it is the rice which we get in the temple in the South India. It is prepared by mixing the cooked rice with special seasoning called gochu. If you are new to my channel, then please like, subscribe and share my video. And don't forget to hit the bell icon so that you will get notified as soon as my new video is uploaded. You can follow me on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, and for the written recipe, please check the description box below. As we know that this is the recipe of cooked rice, I am cooking this rice in the pot and pot in instant pot. You can even cook this rice in the pressure cooker for 2 to 3 whistles. In the instant pot, I am cooking this for 4 minutes. To cook this rice, I am using a little less water than usual. I used 3 cups of water for 2 cups of rice. As soon as you take out the rice from the IP or from the cooker, take it out and spread it in a big bowl so that the rice will cool down and grains will separate and fluff up. You can use the leftover rice also to make this recipe. Now let's see the ingredients to make this lemon rice. Oil 2 tablespoons, mustard seeds 1 teaspoon, asafoetida half teaspoon, ginger 1 teaspoon, peanuts 1 tablespoon, chana dal 1 to 2 tablespoons, green chili 2 to 3, curry leaves 4 to 5, fresh turmeric 1 tablespoon, lemon juice 2 tablespoon, turmeric powder 1 teaspoon, salt to taste, cooked rice 2 cups. Now let us see the process to make the tadka. First of all, heat the oil in a pan. Keep the flame on the medium heat. Put the mustard seeds in the oil and let them crackle. Now add fresh grated turmeric, green chilies, ginger, curry leaves. Add asafoetida and turmeric powder, peanuts and roasted dalia. Here I am using roasted chana dal, but you can use the 15 minutes soaked chana dal also. You can use urad dal also. I am not using it here. Now mix it. Some tips: lemon zest can be used for flavoring. If you think that turmeric powder or peanuts or any ingredient is less and you want to add some more to the rice, then reheat oil and add that ingredient and cook and then add to the rice. Add some lemon juice, coriander leaves and salt to the rice. Our tadka is also ready. Add it in the rice and then mix it well. I have served this rice with Pav Bhaji. This rice is very complimenting with Pav Bhaji. You can make this Pav Bhaji if you are making for a big batch, and it is very nice, yummy and light, very quick recipe. So do try this recipe and let me know in the comment box. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.